The Ulta Beauty The Daily Glow Kit is available now for $29 with 10 favorites that will help you look fresh, radiant, and glowing. If I am lucky enough to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. The kit includes Belief Aqua Bomb 0.33 ounce, Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips 1 ounce, Days Body Scrub Coconut full size 18 ounce, Eucerin Radiant Tone Face Lotion SPF 30.25 ounce, Grande Cosmetics Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum Mini 0.02 ounce, My Nio Pure Cleansing Oil 0.84 ounce, Morphe Continuous Prep and Set Mist plus supercharged with ceramides and antioxidants full size 2.8 ounces. NatureLab Tokyo Perfect Clean 2-in-1 Scalp Scrub and Clarifying Shampoo 1 ounce. Tier Hydra UV Shield Sunscreen SPF 50.33 ounce. VT Cosmetics Riedel Shot 100.33 ounce. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.